today morning in 30 minutes. So I don't know what he has. It might not go with synchronization. So I'll give you a talk. But I'm confident, because yesterday I met very famous palmist. He told me that I do the good one in pickleball. So yeah, I'm in Vastu and Jyotish, as Chetna just introduced me. I'm doing Vastu and Jyotish together. Because only Vastu and only Jyotish, they are not able to generate the proper results. Why, that we will see in today's presentation. So what we are going to see, that I will first tell you. What is the Jyotish? That is astrology. And what is Vastu and what are their importance in our life? How we face the challenges, how we are not able to get rid of some karma, but we still have some liberty to fix some problems, not all of them. So that there are certain mantras or some basic rituals or very simple practices also, just like burning camphor or using turmeric in certain rituals, that also helps us a lot. So that's me, spiritual coach. You can just go next. So that's my family. I am based from Pune. My husband, he was in the hotel business. He was in the restaurant and bar and pubs. Since till 2016, we were based in Pune, Koregaon Park. There we had a pub. 16, we moved to Mumbai. He wanted to open in Andheri again because he was from Thane. So from 2011 till 2022, I was doing as my passion, the astrology and Vastu. And I was enjoying my family life, but then maybe God thought that I'm a very strong lady, so let's give her a little challenge. And then I made it my earning source, my profession. So professionally, I am doing in past 3 years, but as a hobby, I was doing before even that. So I have 2 kids. One is Veer Pratap Singh, who has, I really thanks to him. Sunday morning he woke up and did presentation for me. And my daughter, she is 8, she is at home. Swarneshwari and Veer Pratap. I have 2 kids. She is 8, he is 12.
13.
That's my grandmother. She is the reason I am in this field and I go down to her because she is my dadi, my father's. I grew up in the family where the astrology was there and mantras, but non-believing. I never believed in her. I used to tell her that दादी आप क्या सबको पागल बनाते हो, कुछ भी आप कुछ अगरबत्ती जलाओगे, किसी को दोगे, मंत्र दोगे, हो गया, ऐसा नहीं होता है. But when I started my education, and I'm from Marathi family, so it was a little difficult. I wanted to do the hotel management. So they said, no, you cannot do this because we might not find the right groom to pursue your this education and all. So I said, no, I am going to do this only. So that time my daddy said, you do it. But you're going to waste your money because end of the day you will do this after 35 of your age. And I'm surprised today that I'm actually, my destiny aligned such a way that my passion, which was never, became my profession today. And I'm very happy because I see the stories of people or the happy faces after I rectify them. That's my achievement, which I offer to my grandmother. This is my guru from whom I have taken the professional knowledge. He is based in Pune, Russia and America. Every 3 months he travels, and I have done my degree of 3 years from Kavi Kulguru Kalidas Nagpur Vidyalaya. That's the book which I am co-authoring with him about the Vastu rituals and remedies. These are my some clients. Instead of posting feedbacks and all, these are my some happy clients. You can just go ahead. And I have taken the course in Art of Living in New Jersey also. So every year they get the Vastu and Astrology Learning Center there. So I teach there also. These are some of my clients there for the yoga and astrology. Now why yoga? That also is the interesting part, I'll tell you. Now today's topic. Many people work hard, but they face different challenges in their life and they are not able to understand why we are not getting results. Let's say 10 people are doing same thing, same efforts, but sometimes it happens the backbencher comes first, he gets the good marks or good degree. And sometimes some gold medalist, he ends up in some IT company answering the calls. That is our destiny. What our destiny has planned for us, if we understand the plan, then we can go along with and fix our life. Otherwise, it's like a Google map, that the map is showing us right direction, but we are just juggling, taking wrong turns and ending up. What we do is, destination is fixed. All we do is the taking wrong roads and increasing the time and wasting the time. So astrology helps us to save the time by understanding what exactly is our purpose in this life, why we have taken birth. If we do exactly that, we will save our time and enjoy our journey also. Otherwise, we will be exhausted, frustrated, and end of the day, as a challenge, we accept what we are supposed to do. So the Vastu is the main role in our life because we cannot fix our planets. The moment we take the birth, our Kundali is fixed. We cannot fix the Kundali. So what we can do is we can fix our environment. So Vastu is not just our house or our office or our factory. It is all our environment. Our first Vastu is our body. That is why the Ayurveda is there. Because when we fix the outer environment, our body has to be in synchronization in that. If we try to understand in the medical term, the same term, whenever we go to doctor, let's say we are in the last stage of some kind of extreme disease. Does the doctor take us that let's do surgery? No, there are so many tests, your blood level, your sugar. Is your body supporting the surgery or not? To understand that is the first step. So that is what the exactly is Vastu. We do not jump into the Vastu corrections, but before that we give the 21 days practice to rectify your body, align with your soul, with certain diet, certain mantras, because mantras create the vibration, and some rituals which gives us consistency and discipline in our life. So it is basically Graha, Tattva, Dasha, Disha and Devata. Graha, that is our planets. First we work on the planets. So we cannot fix the planet in Kundali. So we find out which planet is troubling us. We can fix the same planet in our house, in Vastu. I'll give you the example in the next part of the presentation. When the planets are done, then we focus on the Tattva, that is element. Our world is based on the environment. Universe is based on 5 elements. The perfect balance of that 5 elements in our body and then in our house, that leads to the success. Any kind of success needs a perfect balance of tattvas. So the sunlight comes in the house is as equally important as we take a breath and the oxygen level in our body also. Then comes Dasha. That is our Kundali Dasha. Rahu. We all know that Rahu and Shani. Everybody makes us scared that Shani ki Dasha chal rahi, so it's gonna be terrible time. It is not all the time is that. We have to understand the Dasha, that which planet, how it is located in our Kundali and what it is giving us. Sometimes you guys must have seen around some people, उनका सबसे ज़्यादा growth उनके 7.5 में होता है, because their Saturn is giving them extra based on their karma. So Saturn is nothing but a judge who gives us result of our own karma, but we do not know what karmas we have done in our previous life. Whether we believe it or not, we have to face through that. Then comes to Disha. Disha is the directions. After all these 3 steps completion, then we go to Vastu, then we check the directions and then we find out where is the main door, where is the window, from where, how much is the distance of the rooftop, from where the air is coming, sunlight is coming. Not the where is the refrigerator and where is cylinder, that's not Vastu. So Vastu is the balance of 5 elements. After Disha, then Devata. When nothing works in our life, then we find out that why it is not working, because the blessings are missing. Without blessings, it can be our parents' blessings, our guru's blessings or our Kula Devata's blessings. Till the time we are not getting that, everything is on hold. So it's like a bank balance or FD, that everything is there but we are not able to withdraw because the time is not there. So how the time will come? It comes with the blessings of our ancestors, our gurus, parents and our devatas. So when we complete all these steps, that is Vastu. Now the first we will understand the 5 elements. 5 elements are Akash, Vayu, Agni, Jala and Prithvi. So we start from the space and end of the life we merge in the earth element. So importance of earth element in our life are very much, because everything, it can be living thing or non-living thing, everything merged into the earth element. It destroys and take another form. So first we take the space. The space is the open roof or the top of the any company or the shape. It is pyramidal shape or round shape. We see the temples, they have the round shape. Pyramids has the pyramid shape. We have this flat shape. So that shape matters because that brings the Akash, yani ki space element in our life. Then Vayu, that is air element. Vayu is air. Air is carrying good or bad things in our life. So when we see the air element, which direction air element represents? It is the north northwest direction. So how northwest direction placed in our Kundali and in our Vastu, that we check, and then we try to fix our opportunities, because opportunities comes from the northwest direction. And then Agni, that is a fire direction. Understanding fire direction in today's life is very important, because the fire can be diya and fire can burn out everything also. So which kind of fire we need in our life? If there is a balance of fire in our body, then our immune system is good, we are very healthy. If there is an excess of fire, we get stomach ulcer or acidity or some kind of imbalance. The same way in our house also, if there is a harmony and the light is like a diya, that is the positive environment. But when that same light takes the extreme highest route and it becomes the red or the blue flames, it burns out everything. That fire is anger in that house or in that vastu. Or in the factories, it comes in the machineries, because machineries also rules the Mars and Mars rules the fire. Then Jal, the water element. Water element also equally very important, because let's understand these 5 elements that we have a seed and we want a plant out of that in couple of months. What we will do, if we keep the plant, just I keep it on the table and I forget, it will just vanish somewhere, because I don't know, I just kept it on the space. If I just throw it away, with the air it will fly away. But if I put it in the fire, it will burn away. Is it giving a new life? No. But the new life, when it will come? When we immerse it in the earth element, in the soil. We give the equal amount of water to sustain and to get the life and get the new life. And then we give the air, the oxygen, and then we give the enough space to grow. So all the balance, the way it helps to the plant to grow, the all balance in our house and our factories help us to grow in our actual life. Now light, or what is the Vedic astrology or Jyotish? So Jyotish is a Sanskrit term for the modern astrology world. Jyotish is a light, that is a Jyoti is a diya and it's a torch. Let's assume that we all are walking in the jungle. It's a dark night, there is no light. The journey will be full of obstacles. There can be any wild animal coming to us. There can be stones, pebbles or thorns, and the journey will become horrible. But the same road, same obstacles, we are traveling in the daytime. With Lord Surya, we are able to see the obstacles. So what will happen? We will be able to bypass at least 60% of obstacle. We will save our time and our life will be easy. Exactly the same way, Jyotish, that means astrology, help us to understand our destiny chart, that what we are meant to do in this life, how we are supposed to walk, in which planet's dasha, what is our karma. We are supposed to do donation or taking care of family life or putting focus on balancing finances. We have to identify that and then we can work on that. So astrology is the cosmic blueprint that helps us to correct our life. It's not the predictive science that somebody gave you prediction that okay, tomorrow this is going to happen to you. It is a corrective science that yes, this is the thing, but is it avoidable or it's fixed? If it is avoidable, what can be the solution and how you will get it? A simple example, any event in astrology, if we come to know 6 months before, we can stop it. Because when any event comes, it can be anything. Anyone's murder, robbery, anything. Nothing happens in universe suddenly. The seeds are all over there. We have 7 chakras in our aura aligned with. If our aura is not strong, it enters in our body and that incident happens with us. So that is why we tell that we cannot destroy the energy. We can exchange the energy. Someone's aura is strong, that person can survive the same incident. Someone is weak, it can destroy his life with the same incident. So we have to fix our aura and chakras in the body and then house and the Kundali's planets. So this is the corrective science which helps us to correct certain events and get the progress. Are you getting bored?
No.
It's so silent. So
Very interesting.
alright. So now we will understand the planets, how planets works in our life. So Lord Sun is the Surya. What is Surya in our life? So Sun represents soul, that is our self-respect, authorities, our confidence and leadership, In today's modern life, it connects with the government facilities or benefits or the political changes or political career. These all things comes under the sun. If sun is very prominent in the Kundali, then we can get someone's political life stable. Now let's assume some politician is facing some problems in his career. That upcoming election is there, but he has a tough competitor. The first thing as per Vastu is to check his Kundali Surya and the east direction in his house. Because east is the light and east is the authority. If east is well placed, that person's chances to come up as a elected will rise up. If east is depleted, then the person may get defeated by the other person. The same with the government jobs or government benefits. Anybody wants a government benefits. It can be tenders or any kind of government work or sanctioning some files. They have to work on their Surya, understanding how the power of their Surya and how to enhance that power. The basic things to understand and enhance your Lord Sun is waking up early morning, at least before sunrise, offering water to Lord Surya. Why offering water matters a lot? Because when we offer a water, it is a technique that we offer from the top. We see through the water to the Lord Sun. When we see through that first 20 minutes of rise, it first improves our eyesight scientifically because of the connection of that water transparency and polarization of the sunrise. And it helps our brain and boost up our confidence and our soul.
So it is, you should offer water in the morning before you.
Yes.
It is not necessarily after bath.
It is not necessary after bath. If you see the ancient time, people used to go on the river, take shower and offer the water right there.
That is how it has become after bath.
Yes.
But it is not after bath.
It is not after bath.
confidence आएगा.
हाँ, if you take a shower, it is well and good. If you are not able, don't just skip the practice. क्योंकि आपको 50% नहीं तो 20 तो result definitely आएगा. Eyesight तो ठीक होगा, बाकी कुछ नहीं हुआ तो.
सूर्य भगवान गुस्सा हो जाएंगे नहा के.
हाँ, discipline आ जाएगा life में. Then we'll see the moon. Moon in astrology we see emotions. It's like a motherly, over emotional. It represents our mind, our emotions, our sensitivity and the mental peace. Now the mental peace is very important in today's world because everything is connected to peace. Our career, challenges, family life, kids, कुछ तो एक बिगड़ा हुआ होता है. If everything is perfect, then our health is not supporting. So what happens? The direct impact goes to our mental health. To improve our mental health, sometimes we may not be able to change the incident. We may stop taking stress. So how to stay away from the stress? By improving your mood. How to improve the mood? So full moon or whenever there is a waning moon, waxing moon, we have to go take a moon shower or take a walk in the moonlight. Drink cold milk in the night before sleeping. Monday offering milk to Shivji and not drinking milk on Mondays. Monday not boiling milk. These are certain practices. Then Mercury. Mercury represents intelligent communication, learnings and business skills. Before going to Jupiter, there are two planets, but I'll take Jupiter right here after Mercury because Mercury and Jupiter has a similarity, sharing the knowledge. But there is one difference. Mercury is a knowledge, Jupiter is a wisdom. Knowledge is sharing what you know. Wisdom, first confirming what you know is right or wrong and then sharing. So Mercury becomes gossiping because Mercury is like, I know. So somebody has to benefit out of it. We share it, but do we know, is it gonna work or not? So today's Mercury we can say mostly connected to Instagram Reels. Keep scrolling, there is something coming, keep trying, nothing works. Keep trying. So do not believe or pass the knowledge without you knowing it. Now Mercury, I shared one more example. Everybody knows in numerology, number 5 rules Mercury. Now in this room there might be minimum 5 to 6 people. They are under number 5 individuals. So are they all same? Are their lives same? Are their career path is same? No, nothing is same. Why? Because in astrology, Mercury will tell you that every planet has a 3 stages. One is Yuvavastha, second Vruddhavastha and Mrita Avastha. So if your Mercury is combust in your chart, and some numerologists said that you're number 5, so you do this, you do this, you do this, nothing will work because the Mercury is already dead. it is 0 degree, it's not going to give any result. On the dead body, how much oxygen you put, will it work? It's not going to work. So first we have to understand, is that planet capable to give result or not? Then only we have to do the remedy for that planet. So the Mercury, when we talk about, it is a knowledge, it is a communication, the speaking, it is a mobile. Mobile communication only, not the other apps. Other apps comes under Rahu. And Jupiter is wisdom, that I know certain things, but I will find out the right person to share it, because the knowledge should not get wasted or wrongly used. That's why we have to work on our Jupiter more than Mercury. Mercury enhance, how will you do? Eat green sprouts on Wednesday, use green colors, and if you want to do any kind of donations, do in the green color. Let's say you want to give some birthday gift or something, give green dress, green shirt, something like that. Then Venus. Venus represents love, beauty, luxury, relationships and creativity. The very interesting about Venus, if you all know, in Indian astrology, Venus is Shukracharya, which is one-eye blind guru, that is Daitya Guru. But in Western astrology, it is a very beautiful woman who is showering love. So it is helping us to understand that love is always not the lust. Love can be motherly love. Your love to your kids also is love. So love is not a limited term when it comes to Indian astrology. It is your love to any animal also equally same. And then it represents beauty, luxury and relationships. So marriage doesn't come under Venus. Love come under Venus. Love marriage come under Venus. Sibling love come under Venus. Mother's relationships come under Venus. How to improve that? So if someone wants luxury in their life, or they see that money flow is very good, but the moment I get money, some obstacle comes, or somebody falls sick and all that goes to the hospitals, or some bills come suddenly and I'm not able to use that money. So money comes, but you're not able to get the benefit. What will you do? You will do the improving your Venus. How to improve the Venus? So using white clothes. Friday is the day of Venus. Friday you can stay veg. I know that day is the party day, party night, but that is the day. And on the Venus day, white and sweet, any kind of white sweet you can give any girls or boys under 9 age, because they all comes in the Venus. Now Mars. Mars is a fiery planet. Everybody needs Mars in today's life because it's our career, our fighting spirits. In Vedic astrology, Mars is a Senapati, that is a warrior. Today what war we are doing? We are doing our career competitions, our professions, that's our war. We are fighting to get stability. So how to win that war? We have to fix our Mars because it represents courage, actions and determination. If your Mars is debilitate or Mritavastha in Kundali, no matter how qualified the person is in the organization, his thoughts will be not welcomed, or he will be always kept behind. He will not get the name and recognition, not even the opportunity to present his knowledge. So for that, the very best remedy to fix the Mars is on Tuesday, at least once in a 3 to 4 months, do blood donation. Once you do the blood donation, first thing happens to the blood rejuvenates in your body. So you get new energy and the new fire element and the activeness. Second thing is you are giving life to somebody. So your blood is running through the other veins and that improves your power in your life. So blood donation is the best remedy for the Mars. Let's say some people are not able because of the tattoos or age or any kind of thing, they are not able to do the blood donation. What they can do is anywhere, any person who wants the blood, they can pay for that bill in any government hospitals. They can pay for someone's blood loss to get that treatment. Other thing is Masoor Dal, the red Bengal gram we see, that we can offer to Lord Ganpati. Only Siddhi Vinayak, that is Swayambhu Ganpati. Not only the Dadar one, any Swayambhu Ganpati which has the right drum, there we can offer Masoor Dal on Tuesday with jaggery. That's another remedy. Then Jupiter. Jupiter represents wisdom. We have already seen. Jupiter means expansion. Whatever in our life, we need growth. So it expands. But Jupiter expands, everything comes under him. It can be good or bad. Jupiter is sweetness. Jupiter, whoever people has in their chart 6, 8 or 12 sign, they are more or tend to get the diabetes or sugar problems in that placement. So whenever somebody gets sugar problems, they can check their chart if the Jupiter is placed that way or their Jupiter Dasha is going on, and there are certain simple remedies that Thursday, donate the yellow sweet, only 4 pieces. Do not eat sweets on Thursday, and follow the banana is also Thursday not to eat. That will help to control your sugar with the Vedic way. Then we'll go to Saturn. The most important planet in today's world is Saturn, because Saturn keeps accounts of our karma and gives the results based on that. So Saturn never does injustice to anyone, but Saturn delays the things. So when something is very important for me today, let's say I have to pay my bills today, I need 1 crore rupees. But my client said, okay, I will pay you next week. Is it helping me? It's not going to help me, because I have to pay the fine, my reputation is on stake. So Saturn purposely delays the thing when you are not meant to get it on that time. To work on that, there are very simple remedy. Saturn rules the people who work for us, the labor class. These are our servants. So whoever work in our household work, at least on Saturday, not to scold them. If we have to offer them something, give on Saturdays, oil donation and the respect to the servants. That will help. If somebody is going to Shani temple every Saturday, more than that person, Saturn will do the justifying, someone who is respecting their servants or giving them the good treatments, because humanity is the key of any planet to fix it. Then Rahu. Rahu represents ambition, desires, illusion and worldly achievements. So today's in Kali Yuga, Rahu has gained a lot of power and importance. Though it is a malefic planet, it has come as a Papa Graha who destroys our life. So Rahu, if you know the Pauranic Katha, it is just a head. Lord Vishnu has cut his head. The body is Ketu and Rahu is head. When Rahu did Prashan, that Amrit, when he did drank nectar, his head was cut before even tasting it. Let's imagine, even if you take a sip of water, you feel the water in your mouth, you swallow it. Until it goes in our tummy, we do not feel the satisfaction. So Rahu is that disappointment, that he couldn't feel what he has taken. And that's why whenever people come under the Rahu planet, they get a success and they keep running behind the achievements without tasting or experiencing what happiness is with that. And Rahu, the very first thing does is breaking the relationships. So married life or any kind of relationship get very easily destroyed with Rahu. Another thing with Rahu is to fix the Rahu. Many astrologer might tell you to use the Gomed. Experience it or check around if anybody is wearing Gomed. After wearing Gomed, within a year, if that person has gone some kind of stomach surgery or surgery, because Rahu fixes one problem and gives another. He keeps you in the loop of that cycle. That is why the first thing is not to wear Gomed in any cases, or not to wear blue sapphire, that is Saturn. These two are very highly malefic planets. Their sub-stones we can use, not the main stone, until and unless it is highly recommended. That is, one person in 500 to 1000 people can wear that stone.
नीलम को बोलते हैं बहुत डेंजर है
It's very dangerous.
टेस्ट करना पड़ता है
Yes, you test it and then you do it. I have a clients whom somebody else recommended. Yes, it's not recommended. 1 in 1,000 people. Amitabh Bachchan wears it. Everybody knows. Yeah, but his life is very peaceful. He goes everywhere with his full doctor's team and everything. So, and he still is working because name and fame is very important in his. But he's not getting any peace. His profession is that. Now the most important planet is Ketu, that represents spirituality, detachment, intuition and liberation. When the word detachment comes, I always see disappointment in people's life. कि detachment क्या है? अभी तो life शुरू हुआ है. We have to enjoy it. So detachment doesn't tell you to leave the things. Detachment is till the time that particular thing is in your possession, enjoy it. You have a car, enjoy it today. Tomorrow you sold it out, don't miss it. कि कल मेरे पास था, I was very, once it is gone, it is gone. That is detachment. What is in present life, in your surrounding, your family, your food, whatever is right now with you, enjoy that in that moment and then move on. That is detachment. Once you move on, don't even think about yesterday. What did you miss yesterday? That's Ketu. So Ketu teaches you how to live your life without attachment but enjoy it. And do certain spiritual practices so your next journey will be easy. Now we'll see what is Astrovastu together. That was about the planets. So Astrovastu is the combination of astrology and Vastu. So when we can't, as I said, planets are not fixable, then we fix the Vastu directions and the planets in that particular direction. So personalized Vastu remedies we can do with the horoscope, with the person's horoscope, because each planet gives different result in different person's horoscope. And then why general Vastu sometimes doesn't work? You can go next. So why Vastu doesn't work? Because only in Vastu we have 8 directions, 4 main and 4 sub directions. Everybody's house has same. Now you might have seen that one house, one person is flourished and got the good results, but the next person move in and suddenly they get job loss or some obstacles. Why? Because their dasha was not aligned with the disha of this house. So they have to identify at current position when I am going through my Jupiter dasha, is this house where Jupiter's direction, that is northeast, is it open or it has any problem? So you have to check your chart along with that house, and that helps us to get the prosperity in that particular house. Now we'll see the directions. So we have seen the Lord's Sun, it connects with the east direction. Southeast is the Venus and Mars, so that is fire, our workplace. When it comes to east, name, fame and recognition comes in the east direction. Southeast direction comes in our career. Fertility issues also seen from the southeast direction. If southeast has a toilet or southeast has a window or some kind of problem, newly married couple are not supposed to use that bedroom because they might get problems in the fertility. And scientifically, it has some connections of the vibration of that room. Then career. The name and fame may get demolished or some kind of problems can come in the workplace when it is the southeast direction has a problem. Then south. South direction shows Mars and it is called the Yamadisha. 0 degree south everybody avoids whether they believe in Vastu or not, because nobody wants to taste the poison. Then that direction always has to close. South has to be completely closed. Any other direction we can do the rectification. No one supposed to do the corrections in the south direction because it is a Yamadisha. Either it will impact the Vastu consultant on the residential one person. So many of the Vastu consultants do not try to do that. Many try to do because it's good money, but then lifespan shortens. Then we see the southwest direction.
So south should not be the face of the house, that's what you're saying?
0 degree south is, yeah, it's not allowed.
But face of the house.
Face of the house, the main door of the house.
Entry door.
Entry.
So it is inside out, out to in.
Okay, how to check the direction is we have to stand in the center of the house and then set the compass to the north. In that position, the main direction should not come the south. In Mumbai, you don't have to worry for this because it comes in the sub direction only, either southeast or southwest.
Yes.
Builders has made every building tilted that nobody gets the main direction. Then northwest, then southwest, that is Rahu, that is stability. Southwest is again the very heavy earth element. It is a Rahu. We have to control the Rahu. We have to keep southwest heavy loaded furniture and always close. If there are windows, the blackout curtains with mustard yellow color are advisable there because when the sunrise filtered come through the yellow windows, it gives the different, better and mild results. Then the west direction. West comes under the Saturn. If somebody has a Saturn in the 7th house, it is always not that they will break the marriage. It can be some obstacle in marriage, but at the same time, if that person gets the house where west is completely closed, the obstacle can be removed because they have to just understand which direction is troubling in the Kundali. It has to be fixed in the Vastu. So west direction, whenever it is open, that person has to be very patient to fix the problems in life, very disciplined toward their work, taking responsibility and be ready and open, acceptable toward the karmic lessons. That means no matter how many obstacles comes, you will have to keep walking to your path. Then northwest direction, that represents with the moon. It represents movements, changes, relationships, opportunities. So northwest direction, when we have to fix, that direction can be open. The septic tank should not be there because it will destroy the Jala Tattva, that is water element of the moon there. So there should not be toilet. Some cases toilet in northwest is okay when the moon position is good in the Kundali. Then the north direction, that is Mercury. Mercury represents intellect, communication, trading and financial flow. People who are dealing with the share market or trading, their house's north direction has to be very good, well lit and big window. At least if they are doing share market, there should not be toilet at all in the north. Otherwise they will face the big losses. Then northeast, that is Jupiter, Guru. It represents wisdom, spirituality, knowledge, and the divine blessings. Northeast toilet or the cut in the northeast or any kind of problem in northeast, that takes away all the blessings. That means no matter what you do in the life, you try to fix everything. Without blessings, it's not going to work. So fixing the northeast is the first choice.
Machine.
I hope nobody is sleeping.
You're worried now.
So the common master problems we will see here is how to identify what is the problem. Now I said mix and match things, that sometimes I'm saying that the direction has to be open, sometimes I'm saying direction has to be closed. So we have to understand the sink direction and source direction. Source direction, which gets the positive energy in your house, that has to be open. Sink direction has to be closed. Otherwise, the positive energy which came, it will flow out of the house in that. So the source direction will be east, northeast, north, northwest. It has to be open, well lit, windows, no bathrooms, no dirty floor, no trash can, no trash chutes, nothing, no shoe racks. And the sink direction, that is
But
southeast.
northeast, if you open, then Surek is there in the northeast, no?
So yes, that is why we have to fix certain things there. And then there are small remedies we do, like keeping salt or something.
So suppose that this is a wall,
Hmm.
and this is on the northwest.
Yeah.
What to do? And there is a house on the other side.
उसको तोड़ नहीं सकते हैं.
So northwest, you mean the northwest door?
We are going out now,
Yes,
and there is a wall.
yes.
So it becomes
So the wall
northwest.
is okay. You can fix the mirror on that wall to get the reflection, or the chandelier above, or the very pearls in under the flooring to get enhance that. But if you keep the shoe rack in that direction, then that will disturb the energy flow. So there are some basic remedies which I will tell you then how to fix it, because every time we cannot just break the wall or close the door or break the bathroom. There are certain things we just have to understand, are we allowed to do that in our personalized case, because sometimes it works for the friend or neighbor, will say it not work on us.
So
So
सब फीस में क्या होता है? फीस
ये अभी तो ट्रेलर दिखाएंगे बाद में.
फीस लेना चाहिए.
even if they go to YouTube of mine, there will be half of Vastu consultants. So church fee.
For all Rotarians, he gives 50% discount.
10,000 per day.
Huh?
Yeah, and they can donate me 50% later. So the sink directions, that has to be always closed, that is southeast, south, southwest and west. If there is a window, then there are, or there is a bathroom, there are certain corrections. Only 3 problems we do not correct in Vastu, or we try to avoid it. One is 0 degree south, bathroom is northeast, and bathroom is southeast. Now there are some new Vastu consultants, they debate that only bathroom will work, but the toilet commode has to be removed. It doesn't work that way, because the positive water or clean water is not running through that direction. So that will take away all the good impact of that planet, and it will impact.
But you are saying these 3 reasons, it is completely no.
It is completely no. Let's say, I'll give you the example, one of my client in South Mumbai, he's a diamond merchant, he had a bathroom in southeast. It was impacting his, and he had 3 bathrooms on all floors. 3-storage house was there, so all bathrooms were above each other, aligned to each other. So I asked him to remove the bathroom, because that is the first remedy. He said that is not possible, because my architectural, everything will be disturbed, and the looks of the house will go away if I try to make it somewhere. So what we did there, we kept his bathroom, but we put almost 1 kilo pearls down, did the marble flooring, completely walls also the marble, and put the lights in some alignment. So the cost of demolishing bathroom was very less and making new, but cost of remedy went very high, that someone would have get 1 BHK in somewhere in Mumbai. But we did that.
Diamond merchant.
But after that he got that good result that next time he said, Madam, I'll get house, particularly southeast bathroom. I want the same remedy, because my money flow has increased after that. So there are solutions, but solution कभी भी इतना महंगा नहीं होना चाहिए कि problem ही ठीक था. Then the blocked northeast. Northeast, if there is a block, kitchen is in the wrong direction. That means kitchen is only 2 directions allowed, that is east or southeast. Apart from that, everywhere it is wrong. How to fix it is, there are some techniques we can get it, but before going to that technique, we have to find out, are we going to face the problem right now or after 2 years? That Kundali says that if if one person, let's say Mukulji has a house, he has certain problem. But if I ask him and he say I'm shifting to Dubai to my son in 2 years, then I'll give him basic remedies, not expensive. That 2 years you will survive here, and after that you will move. So it personalized for everything. The clutter or blocking energy that can be like cabinets, heavy cabinets, beds or anything, that all has to go to sink directions. All heavy furniture goes to sink directions, all windows and curtains, maximum time or at least 11 to 6 in the daytime has to be closed from that direction.
What is sink direction?
Southeast, south, southwest, west. Sink direction means any energy comes, they absorb because the earth element is very strong. So all the positive energy will get restored if it is closed, otherwise it will flow out of the window and the energy of 5 elements will be disturbed in that house. Now we can go to next. Now how the remedies works is we can do some directional corrections in that. Elements balance we can do. Colors in that direction we enhance. So we don't have to complete wall color change. We can keep some base or something for that particular color. And in that case we will keep, let's say somebody's share market is doing, let's talk about that person and he has a bathroom in northwest. So we can keep some base or glass. Mercury in the good minimum 5 carat in that, and we put the light on that to enhance the energy. So problem is there, but to control that, the energy flow we had to increase. Then mantras and the planetary strength, that works like a wonder. I have a group where every morning 5 AM I take meditations and I only teach mantras, and that's completely free, because if people are waking up at 5, that's my fees, I feel, and they are getting wonderful results in that, because when we do mantra, it has a power to clear our karma. Then placements of sacred symbols and yantras. So we post some yantras or some diagrams or some shapes on the walls, and that gives us the different results. Now, 3 problems I identified very common when it's been 6 months I'm in Rotary, and while talking to everyone, I found either the diabetes is very common in our group, or some financial instabilities and the relationships, or the marriage particularly. So all these 3 only I am giving you certain remedies. I won't take much time, but these 3 problems I'll guide you. So let's say somebody is facing health issues and particularly diabetes. So of course treatment is there, medical treatment is there, but many times it doesn't work or you have to take it too long. So what you can do is you have to identify the food habits. So to identify food habits, some people are not able to control that. So we have to check the Taurus sign, that is Venus' sign, where it is sitting. Wherever is Taurus, that house comes under the food habits or eating habits of that person. So according to Ayurveda, I can guide them that what food they should avoid and what they can take to control their diabetes. Then comes Pisces and Libra, these 2 signs. So when there is a Taurus, I can ask the person to minimize the oily food, which has no connect to the diabetes, but still it will work in that case. If Jupiter is debilitated or in 6 at 12, I will ask that person to give up the sweets and bananas, and that will help. If Libra, then water intake of that person, and only pure water, giving up all the sodas, cokes or aerated drinks will work to balance the sugar. So though the food habits are different, but according to Rashi, we can control the diabetes of each person. Then donation placement. So what you have to donate? We have to, somebody, if they are dealing with a Taurus problem, they can donate on Friday sweets, rice or kheer. For Vishnu, Lord Vishnu, on Thursday we give turmeric. We can donate turmeric, we can offer it to banana tree. And do not eat sweets or bananas on Thursday. It's for common, everybody who is doing with the diabetes. You can do that. I have a diabetes mantra. If anybody want, I'll just share free. It's not like business or all. But do share the feedback. Once you do it for 21 to 40 days, you share the feedback if you see any changes in your sugar level.
So diabetes mantra means you have to.
Yes, you have to chant the mantra and then check your sugar.
Oh, wow. How many times?
Actually, in UP, it is recommended banana to take on Thursday, and here it is the other way around.
Only for diabetes people. Yeah, not for others. Only who is dealing with diabetes, they have to stop eating on Thursday.
So you are saying the
But
mantra, how many?
So yes, so we offer it to Lord Vishnu, so we should not eat. We're not supposed to eat.
Thursday.
Because we offer it to Lord Vishnu
Yeah.
on that day, to the banana tree. You were asking something.
How many times that month?
21 times.
5 बजे सुबह
Any time you can.
तो डरा रहा है सब
5 बजे सुबह वाला
I'll,
फ्री है
I'll take him as a business partner. I do the speaking part usually. Then remedies, every time remedies works, it doesn't happen. Sometimes they work, sometimes don't work. Why they don't work? Because the intention behind doing that remedy is matters. आप कलयुग में जाओ या फिर पुरातन में जाओ या श्री राम के टाइम में जाओ, आपका इंटेंशन बहुत मैटर करता है. How clean your thoughts are for yourself and for others, it decides your life how good it can be. So if you have 2 minutes time, I can share one short story. Okay. So one person faced suddenly job loss in lockdown, and then he went to the astrologer. The astrologer guided him. Okay, your Rahu is doubleted, so you do Kala Bhairav mantra, and then you offer the roti to Black Dog on Sunday morning at 9. 7 Sundays you do it, and your job will fix. Person came home. He started doing the remedy. After 4 Sundays, he started getting calls. And before 7th Sunday, 6th Sunday, he got the call from Bangalore. And he went there for interview. Now he was so confident that he's gonna get job because everything went well, just the last round was there. He went there, the interview was on Monday morning, so he had to fly 1 or 2 days before. He went there, he gave interview on Monday, and he asked the astrologer, today is my last Sunday. Is it okay if I feed the roti here to complete my remedy? Astrologer said, okay. That person found a black dog, fed the roti to that dog, completed his remedy, and then went to the interview next day after Sundays. And he couldn't crack the interview, though everything was perfect. Only the last round and his appointment letter was pending. He couldn't crack it. Why? No. You know. You're not here. You're invisible.
बट मंडे को डॉग को खिलाना था ना black dog को।
Sunday. He did it on Sunday 9, particularly the way he was guided. He went out. He waited near the place.
दिशा और दशा बदल गई थी
He flew on Monday.
No, he flew Saturday. Sunday he did remedy.
Saturday.
Monday was the
Because
interview.
उसका intention खराब हो गया था कि एक
हाँ,
कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया उसको कि अब तो कोई ऐसा फालतू में खिला रहा है इसको.
No, he did it with devotion because he's gonna get job after
तो
that.
सफेद कुत्ते
And
में
where was he living?
He was living in Mumbai and he went to Bangalore.
change of place.
नहीं डायरेक्शन चेंज
No,
नहीं,
song
नहीं,
चली
नहीं,
जाती
नहीं,
है चालू. Song
No,
चली
दो चीज होता है intention होगा ये change of place.
Intention.
Song चली
Because
जाती
he
है
clarified.
मन
No, because he really wanted to do it and he's asking it.
वे दक्षिण करे पयाना लॉर्ड घर को लौट कबू नहीं आना तो बेंगलोर इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली ऑन साउथ इट इज टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट
Yeah.
सो ही फ्लू ऑन सैटरडे टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट
He might have flown
That
Sunday
was
morning.
the- that
Our
was the-
story is that he completed the remedy by Sunday morning 9, all 7 Sundays. But one Sunday he failed in Bangalore or other city, others at the same place at his home, same building, same.
Maybe
job.
change of place and intention.
Intention because he's asking.
Intention.
Yeah,
He
that's
fed
right.
6 Sundays. Again, I'm giving you clue. He fed 6 Sundays from his home at the same time, same dog. And the 6th one he went to the
But
Bangalore.
with the dog whom he was feeding,
That video.
he was waiting for him.
That's.
And we didn't do that.
The
So he
only
was
thing he
deprived.
forgot to do is he was supposed to call the family member that yes, I got the black dog here, but what about the dog I was feeding?
Yes.
He will wait for me and he's hungry. That's the intention that I have to be selfless, though I want the job, but the dog wants roti, which I am giving.
वो तो हर बार वेट करता रहेगा ना तो जॉब के बाद भी खिलाते रहना
So,
पड़ेगा.
but पहले मिलने तक तो करना.
नहीं वो तो है लेकिन वो डॉग तो उसके लिए भरोसा में है ना.
हाँ.
Exactly. So you broke the trust of somebody. So he broke the trust of the dog. Company broke the trust of his.
एक्चुअली मैं उसको ऐसे इंटरप्रेट करूंगा कि वो लास्ट डे मैं हाउ आई विल इंटरप्रेट हियर द लास्ट डे उसका फोकस अपने उस पे करने में कम था इंटरव्यू में सक्सेस होने का ज्यादा
था. That is why he forgot कि घर पे एक रोटी देना बड़ी बात नहीं था. कोई भी नीचे जाके दे सकता था. He could have done that. So selfless act नहीं हुआ. It has to be selfless act. कि मुझे जॉब मिलेगी ही, नहीं मिली चलेगा, उसको रोटी मिलनी चाहिए. So when our intentions are very clear, universe is and God God is so kind to give us what we deserve, not what we want.
तो इसका मतलब है कि किसी की भी
Yeah.
जरा सी भी बददुआ भी लग गई तो आपके पास भी बस
नहीं आप किसी बारे में गलत भी सोचोगे तो कहीं ना कहीं आप फिट होगे
That will happen, but it is a commitment. You give the commitment to dog. You give the commitment to astrologer. So you cannot be just greedy to keep switching places. You have to think about the people who are connected or
अगर जाता नहीं तो फिर भी नहीं जॉब मिलता ना अगर इसके
शायद यहाँ मिल
किसी को
जाता
ना
है।
देने के लिए
तो शायद यहाँ मिल जाता
what
है।
is saying you give somebody from
It's
your
God
house to give
testing him.
मतलब अब अगर मान लो ब्लैक डॉग है तो ब्लैक डॉग हम किसी को भी करें
sir but you have to do the same
But
thing
जो 7 days से आपके घर पे आ रहे हैं उसको आप भूल नहीं सकते।
लेकिन एक चीज है उसके मन में वो खराब चीज है नहीं कि मैं खाना ना दूं। इट इज अ मिस्टेक।
उसके मन में खाना देने की चीज ही नहीं है, उसके मन में है मुझे जॉब
right
मिले।
was right was
हाँ,
and I am doing the work
मिले
it is not a love
It is not the commitment, it is not the responsibility, it is just the act.
Intent.
you see the मेरी किस्मत है कि आप जो ब्लैक डॉग को खिला रहे हो उसका ब्लेसिंग तुमको हेल्प करेगा
I will give you the simple example for women here. You all have maids at your home. One day your maid doesn't come. She sent somebody of her friend in a replacement. Now you have taken some nice dresses to give your maid. Will you give to that new maid or wait for yours?
वेट फॉर
Because you are committed to her.
Yeah.
So you might give her out of courtesy one, but you still will keep your maid's things.
So which means that's
That you keep your responsibility and your
जहाँ पे
commitments.
committed रहो
हाँ.
नहीं और जो ऑफरिंग है आई मीन वंस यू आर ऑफरिंग समथिंग डोंट एक्सपेक्ट मतलब
You are already expecting because you are doing for that only. You are not taking some.
but at least उसका blessing मिलना चाहिए
हाँ, उसका blessing मिलना चाहिए.
देखो और एक चीज what he said about your servants कि उस servants का भी feeling आपके ऊपर इफेक्ट करता है कि आपने अपने servant को they are your sami so they should be happy on you that you are taking care of them उनको खाना खिला रहे हो आप उनके ऊपर unnecessary चिल्ला नहीं रहे हो
For business now, a lot of people are here in
तो
business.
मैं चिल्ला दिए
I'll give one master remedy to them. This is going to be a remedy. But when the money flow gets stuck,
सबको चिल्ला.
or any profession, it can be any profession, money flow gets stuck or any kind of, and you are into field where you are the high rank employee and you have a lot of low rank. So there is a simple remedy to do is we see these people who are construction workers or housekeeping of our society. So you give them tea bags. You can give them donate 1 kilo or something tea bags
to
on Saturdays. Housekeeping, who does the cleaning, not our homes, the society's common area, like outside the Rahu. जो कचरा उठाते हैं particularly, because they are not doing that job willingly. So tea is an addiction for them to take away that smell or that bad breath. So the more they will drink tea, their blessings will work for your business. आपको याद होगा सेकेंड टर्म इलेक्शन में मोदी जी ने सब हाउसकीपिंग वर्कर्स के पैर धोए थे एंड ही वोर द ब्लैक ड्रेस दैट टाइम बिकॉज़ ही वाज ट्राइंग टू डील हिज राहु.
एक क्वेश्चन पर्सनल पूछ रहा हूँ आपने ये जो चिन्ह लगाए हैं इसके पीछे क्या साइंस है
Okay, this is my Atma
observing
Karaka.
them
हाँ, this is my Atma Karaka planet. So Saturn, everybody has the highest degree planet in their kundali. Mine is Saturn. So whatever I'm gonna get good things in this life, I will get from Saturn. So good things also from Saturn only. So everybody has different planet. But Saturn never gives anybody anything before the time or more than they deserve. So Saturn delays but never denies. Before we complete the lifespan, we get what we are meant.
एक और क्वेश्चन है ऐसा मानना है कि जब आपकी राशि में राहु और केतु स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाते हैं तो आपका अंत हो जाता है इसका क्या साइंटिफिक रीजन है
Because that is the end, the planetary position. जैसे राहु केतु का एक्सेस या शनि का 8th हाउस में जब भ्रमण आता है 8th हाउस द लाइफ स्पैन हाउ व्हाट काइंड ऑफ डिजीज विल फेल एंड वेयर इज द एंड द टाइमिंग कम्स फ्रॉम द 12th हाउस. So the proper alignment of the planet scientifically takes our time because what time we have got on the earth is on the breath, not the clock. कि हमको एक लाख ब्रीदिंग आप करोगे इसीलिए जो योगा करते हैं उनका लाइफ स्पैन ज्यादा होता है बिकॉज दे टेक मिनिमम ब्रेथ इन द लॉन्गर टाइम. तो उस केस में 2 बार योग टल सकता है इवन द राहु केतु अलायंस. इफ द पर्सन इज डूइंग रेगुलर योगा फॉर इयर्स उनका योग टल सकता है.
एक क्वेश्चन और हम जब सांस लेते हैं तो कभी सांस लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रल से जाती आती है कभी सांस राइट राइट नोस्ट्रल से आती जाती है, इसके पीछे क्या साइंस है?
Yes, so this is called Swara Shastra. So if you feel even now, you can just put your finger and feel कौन सा nostril चल रहा है. So it is a nadi, Chandra nadi, Surya nadi. When it is Surya nadi is active, you do the things which are connected to the fire, that is eating food, talking less, restoring the energies, not fighting. If you want to fight with somebody, Surya nadi, in the Surya nadi or going on a war or some debate, if your Surya nadi is active, you will win 100%. If Chandra nadi, that is the left nostril, that is active, the left nostril is moon, so it is a mind. So whatever positive activities one want to do, they can do in the moon nadi.
तो जब इसीलिए
But as per the health, both एक साथ नहीं चलने चाहिए.
वो चलते भी नहीं है ज्यादातर,
बहुत लोगों के
कम
चलते हैं, हाँ, बहुत कम
लेकिन
चलते
जब
हैं.
गुस्सा आता है तो कौन सी नाड़ी चलती है?
सूर्य नाड़ी चलती है.
राइट साइड का, राइट साइड का.
सूर्य, यस, राइट साइड की चलती है. जब गुस्सा आता है तो राइट साइड की चलती है. इसीलिए जब गुस्सा आता है तो किसी को बोलने से पहले सोचना है, क्योंकि that is the time we can be more and more harsh because the सूर्य तत्व is active and it's going to impact on our karma.
और अगर हम गुस्सा आया
सांस खींचिए, जोर से.
लेफ्ट से सांस लेने का तो गुस्सा शांत हो जाएगा।
Yes.
Yes, you can balance your breath. You can just stop breathing for a second, couple of seconds, and then try to use your
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
switch. Or you speak, you simply put your finger here. One another chakra and put this finger and stop your breathing for a couple of seconds. It switched. The nadi gets switched.
आपको मेरी कंपनी से जुड़ना बहुत जरूरी है।
हो गया आपका लेक्चर सफल हो गया.
Absolutely.
Subscription form में सर्वे
आपका हो गया.
10,000 रुपये भाई.
Everybody has any questions they can ask. And next slides I will not guide, but there are certain remedies I'll share with you. कि आप घर में जैसे दिया कहाँ लगाना है, हल्दी का लेप लगाना है, कौन से दिन लगाना है, prosperity का बारे में. You do the general remedies, but I still tell in every session of mine, हमारे कर्म इतने अच्छे नहीं कि इतनी छोटी चीज करके कोई लकी ड्रॉ निकल आए. So keep the track on
Karma
bigger
is
things.
very important.
Karma is very important.
कर्मा इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अबाउट ऑल ये है.
अच्छा, आज भी जो आप कर रहे हैं वो अगला जन्म में भुगतान होगा उसका, यही कर्म बन जाएगा.
अभी कलयुग है, ये भुगतने से पहले अगला जन्म ही नहीं मिलेगा.
आपने
Because that is why people are getting deadly diseases maximum in
आप
this.
ये last है.
आप स्कूल में थे ना?
फर्स्ट डे
नहीं.
फर्स्ट डे
स्कूल में एक बच्चा
थे ना फर्स्ट डे.
अच्छा डिस्काउंट आई वाज इसको नहीं तो डिस्काउंट.
मेरे मोना के जो हुआ उसमें एक बच्चा था या
9 साल
बच्चा है.
11 साल का बच्चा.
नहीं 2 साल का
2 साल का
अच्छा,
बच्चा.
2 साल
के बच्चे ने वो जो करते ना वो
क्यूब. हाँ, क्यूब.
पिरामिड को, हाँ उसको उसने
Seconds में.
लेस देन 1.5 मिनट उसने पूरा कर दिया. मेरे ख्याल से कोई बच्चा कर नहीं सकता, क्योंकि अगर मम्मी पापा उसको 1 साल का जब बच्चा होता है तब वो सोचेगा, भूल जाएगा वो उसने क्यों किया. आपका क्या, अगर ऐसा हुआ
Yes.
क्यों हुआ?
ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं. कुछ बच्चे बचपन में सिंगर होते हैं, सेलिब्रिटी स्टार होते हैं, या टीवी में कोई एक सीरियल उनको एकदम क्लिक कर लेता है, लेकिन बाद में उनका करियर स्टॉप हो जाता है. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे बच्चों के साथ होता है. इफ वी से कि आजकल हम बोलते हैं कि एंसेस्ट्रल कर्स बहुत ज्यादा आता है, तो एंसेस्ट्रल ब्लेसिंग भी आते हैं सेम टाइम. लेट्स से कि ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स फैमिली में पिछले 3 पीढ़ियों में कोई भी एक था उस नॉलेज से, और जिनका अधूरा रह गया, दे पास द नॉलेज टू दैट किड व्हाइल टेकिंग बर्थ, एंड देन दैट किड फ्लॉरिश. सो उनको सीखने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है, इट्स ऑलरेडी देयर.
डीएनए में होती है.
एक बिल्कुल सही है. हमारे गांव में ऐसी मान्यता थी और कभी ऐसा हुआ भी कि पिछले वर्ष की मेमोरी इस वर्ष में आ गई. बहुत ही रेयर केसेस हैं, बट ऐसे केसेस हुए. तो उसको उसने जब किसी एक व्यक्ति को देखा तो छोटा बच्चा उसको
नाम से बुलाया.
बेटा बेटा करके बोलने लगा. तो पूरे इलाके में हो गया कि ये कौन सा बच्चा है जो अपने फादर को बेटा बोल रहा है. तो वो ऐसी मान्यता थी कि पिछले वर्ष की मेमोरी उसको अभी तक खत्म नहीं हुई. It took some time
Yes.
to forget the past.
It took time because it was not his past, it was his present, but he left the journey halfway. So अपने grandchild
पूर्व जन्म
बड़ी
का
कॉम्प्लेक्स है
हाँ.
कि अगर हम रीबर्थ लेते हैं तो आज के 100 साल पहले इतनी जनसंख्या थी, बढ़ी क्यों? तो बड़ी कॉम्प्लेक्स साइंस है वो, कभी हम और आप बैठेंगे तो।
हम आराम से बैठेंगे, मेरे पास है इसके आंसर भी
मेरे
है।
बड़े तो चल वो अभी आदमी
लेकिन आपको हमारी कंपनी के साथ जुड़ना है, मीटिंग के बाद में बात करते हैं। क्योंकि हमारी जो नई टेक्निक है जो आप बोल रहे हो, केवल वही, इसमें केवल एडिशन होगा क्वांटम फिजिक्स का, अदरवाइज फिलॉसफी प्राणा जो
Yes.
हमारा डिवाइस बनी है वो फिलॉसफी प्राणा है। और जो इंडिया में प्राणा और हमारे पूरे चक्राज हैं उसके ऊपर ही टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप है। दसिया में तो आपका जुड़ना हमारे साथ बहुत जरूरी है।
टाइप विथ
AI,
गायत्री
So next.
I guess वो भी है शायद।
ये जो
मुझे
These are the remedies.
मुझे एक चीज पूछनी है। आपने बोला था राइट नोस्ट्रिल में अगर मॉर्निंग में आप उठोगे then when you see your right nostril is active then what to do?
तो अक्षय के ऊपर लड़ाई कर देगा।
नहीं, right.
अक्षय गया उस दिन फिनिश
तेरा सूर्य
When you get up-
सूर्य बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग चल रहा है, पीट दो सूर्य इसको बहुत।
ये तो होता है हाय
नहीं ये क्यों नहीं हो सकता बाहर आके लड़ाई करूं? हो सकता है।
When you get up and your right nostril is active, so you first feel, you don't just get up directly, you feel which one is active.
Okay.
You press it for a while and you change the side. The moment you change the side, your swara changes.
Okay.
Then you get up and put your first right leg to touch the mother earth. Now there I give some technique to my students because today we are not getting any access to soil. तो
जमीन पे।
पहला पैर जमीन पे रखने का मतलब ही जमीन था, अभी फर्श है, जमीन नहीं है. So we don't get that energy. So I tell them get 1 feet by this plastic box or something and keep soil in that. Keep near your bed. As soon as you get up, just दोनों पैर उसमें रखिए right and left. Sit for 2 minutes and just meditate. Get the earth element restored in your
मेरे
body.
ख्याल से फर्स्ट पे रखने से भी वही फील आना चाहिए
नहीं आएगा.
ये अगर मतलब आप चौथे बदली पे
ये पॉलिश हो
किसी
के
बदली
फैक्ट्री
लो,
में जाके
polish-
आपके पास आया है. It is not a raw.
लेकिन
So you are saying
आप नीचे जाके पैर से लो।
जो मुश्किल से आता है
अर्थ में बहुत अच्छा है।
वही पैर पहले रखना चाहिए, right?
हाँ, जो स्वर चल रहा है वो पैर पहले रखना है. बट आप चंद्र स्वर में स्विच करके फिर उठ सकते हो.
नहीं बट राइट नोस्ट्रिल से अगर we
So you switch the swar first. That's what I said. You switch your side, close it, but switch the swar.
then लेफ्ट में आना अच्छी बात है।
हाँ, लेफ्ट में उठोगे तो आपका दिन अच्छा रहेगा. कम झगड़ा होगा.
पता कैसे चलेगा कि प्लास्टिक लाइट चल रहा है लेफ्ट
अब सुबह करो ना, मेरा कभी बार लेफ्ट में आता है, कभी बार राइट में आता है.
हाँ।
देखो जिस दिन
देखो,
creativity
जिस दिन राइट होता है झगड़ा करते हैं
जिस दिन नहीं है, वो पावर से switches और जिनका दोनों चलता है उनको ज्यादा
देखो,
issues होते हैं.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
जिस दिन भैया का राइट चला चाय ही बनाएगा
ए, तुम झगड़ा कर रहे हो, इसका राइट चला तो चला
एक और बहुत जरूरी चीज है, ये क्वेश्चन है वो बाद में पूछूंगा। जब हम सांस लेते हैं तो प्रैक्टिस करो कि कभी कभी उल्टा हो जाता है। जब सांस लेते हैं तो पेट फूलना चाहिए
Yes.
और जब सांस निकालते हैं तो पेट पिचकना चाहिए। ये प्रैक्टिस बहुत जरूरी
ये
है।
बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि हम जब श्वास लेते हैं ना, टेक्निकली आवर ब्रीदिंग इज नॉट इवन गोइंग टिल लंग्स. इट हैज टू गो टिल नेवल चक्र एंड देन इट एक्टिवेट्स. अगर नेवल चक्र तक नहीं आए तो आप जो सांस ले रहे हो वेस्टेज है.
अच्छा,
तो consciously करना चाहिए.
60% टाइम हम लोग नहीं
सांस
लेते
लेते ही
लेते ही
अननोइंगली नहीं करते।
आप देखो कभी हेडेक हो रहा हो आपको और आप बहुत डीप ब्रीथिंग चालू कर दो थोड़ी देर में
ठीक हो
हाँ,
जाएगा।
इवन थोड़ी सी नींद आ रही है, डीप ब्रीथिंग कर लो, फ्रेश फील होने लगता है इमीडिएटली. एंड नेवल चक्र एक्टिव होना बहुत जरूरी है.
इसके बीच में जो गाड़ी बैठे बैठे करना चाहिए, तो कभी कभी गाड़ी चला जाते करते हैं, गाड़ी चला रहे करते रहते हैं।
अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन है इसमें, ये मैरिज प्रॉब्लम के लिए सभी प्रॉब्लम हैं। इसमें मुझे सबसे अच्छी लगी लाइट घी दिया है नॉर्थ वेस्ट डायरेक्शन।
मैरिज
हम
प्रॉब्लम
लोग डेली करना चाहिए, डेली ना।
हाँ,
क्योंकि
जिनके यहाँ शादी नहीं हो रही है लड़की की, सिर्फ उनके
या
लिए.
मान लो कुछ
North West
शादी होने के बाद गड़बड़ हुआ
तो North West में
नॉर्थ वेस्ट डायरेक्शन। अभी नॉर्थ वेस्ट में घर के अंदर या घर के
घर
बाहर?
के अंदर.
घर के अंदर।
घर के अंदर.
यही करना है और भी कुछ है बता दीजिए मुझे नहीं करना
मुकुल जी को भी करना है। मुकुल जी भी करना चाहते हैं ये
तो
वाली
ये सिर्फ अगर किसी फैमिली में किसी की शादी नहीं
एक किसी की शादी लिखा है सर मेरी
लेकिन शादी के बाद में अगर प्रॉब्लम है तो अभी है।
साउथ ईस्ट में दिया लगा रहा है.
नहीं, अगर साउथ ईस्ट में
शादी के बाद में जहाँ पे भी वो लड़की जाएगी या वो लड़का जहाँ पे भी वो रहेंगे उस घर में साउथ ईस्ट में दिया जाता है. साउथ ईस्ट इज मार्स एंड वीनस. साउथ ईस्ट इज फर्टिलिटी, करियर और फैमिली, संतति.
साउथ ईस्ट में घर के अंदर रखना।
अंदर सारी चीजें अंदर ही करनी है.
ये सुबह जलाना है शाम को?
शाम को 6 से 8 के बीच
पूरा घर या बेडरूम आप
कॉर्नर दैट वन कॉर्नर
of the house, full house.
So it can be
sometimes the location can come near bathroom or kitchen anywhere. Do not worry क्योंकि ये कोई पूजा नहीं है, it's remedy in life में
जैसे खिड़की है साउथ वेस्ट में, साउथ ईस्ट में, तो खिड़की में भी रखी
रख
जाए।
सकते हैं, बट नीचे आप रखोगे फोन तो अच्छी तरह से।
Madam, next, only problem.
गोमती चक्र क्या है?
गोमती चक्र this shells,
Sales and the
seashells. This is for financial problems. So for finances, we see the business and income comes from north, cash flow comes from southeast, and fortune comes from southeast again, the Jupiter, northeast, sorry, and the wealth stability. All three direction will give you the money, north, southeast, northeast. But वो आने के बाद रुकना
नॉर्थ
चाहिए.
मतलब फेस
That's why south is
मतलब आप ये डोर की बात करें नॉर्थ
सेंटर से जहाँ पे भी आएगा, अगर जहाँ नॉर्थ आता है वहाँ पे विंडो होगी चलेगा, डोर होगा चलेगा, ओपनिंग चाहिए, बाथरूम नहीं होना चाहिए, डर्टी वाटर फ्लो, ट्रैश कैन नहीं होना चाहिए. साउथ ईस्ट में विंडो होनी चाहिए, विंडो बंद होनी चाहिए, वॉल होनी चाहिए. अगर विंडो है तो उसको येलो फिल्मिंग करना जरूरी है क्योंकि फिल्टर होके सनराइज आना चाहिए अंदर वहाँ से. तो साउथ ईस्ट में वीनस एंड मार्स होते हैं, दैट गिव्स द कैश फ्लो. तो अगर आपको आपका कैश बॉक्स जो है वो या साउथ ईस्ट में आप दिया अगर लगाते हो, मान लीजिए ऑफिस में, लेट्स टेक अबाउट द ऑफिस, वहाँ तो आप दिया नहीं लगा सकते हैं ना 24 आवर्स. You can keep some chandelier or some lamp 24/7 on there. In my office I have made arrangement कि ये नॉर्थ आता है, नॉर्थ के सारे लाइट ऑन है 24 आवर्स और साउथ का एक लाइट ऑन है, बाकी के बंद हो जाए. तो वैसा अलाइनमेंट करके रखेंगे, उसका आपको ऑफ कोर्स 15-20% रिजल्ट आएगा बिकॉज नेचुरल सोर्स नहीं है लाइट का, बट रिजल्ट आएगा. दिया अगर घी का लगाते हो तो 100% रिजल्ट आएगा. बट अगेन आई टेल पीपल टू लाइट अ लैम्प ऑफ सिसमी ऑयल क्योंकि घी प्योर नहीं मिलता है. घी इज अ सैचुरेटेड फैट विच विल नॉट गिव यू दैट सात्विक एनर्जी. अब घर पे बना हुआ घी भी ठीक है लेकिन वो दूध कहाँ से आया है वो भी हमें पता नहीं. सो उतना प्योर घी मिलता नहीं है. बहुत सारे जो है जैसे शाहपुर का फार्म है या कुछ है, दे प्रोवाइड सर्टेन थिंग्स इफ यू गेट द एक्सेस. सिंपल तरीका है घी प्योर है या नहीं, 3,500 से 4,000 रुपए किलो से कम जो घी मिलता है इट्स नॉट प्योर.
प्योर भी प्योर नहीं है.
नहीं है प्योर बिकॉज इट्स अ मिल्क फैट. दे डोंट गो विद द आयुर्वेदिक प्रोसेस ऑफ कर्ड लगाना, उसको 24 आवर्स रखना, फिर चर्निंग करना. इफ दैट डजंट हैपन द क्वालिटी डजंट एनहांस, इट विल जस्ट गिव यू द टेस्ट सिमिलर लाइक. तो उसका सब्स्टिट्यूट सिंपल है कोल्ड प्रेस सिसमी ऑयल जो आपको सिमिलर रिजल्ट देगा और जो इजीली अवेलेबल है.
सिसमी ऑयल से दे दो.
कोल्ड प्रेस
वही बेस्ट
वही बेस्ट है.
तिल का तेल है ना?
तिल का, सफेद तिल का.
बहुत बढ़िया था. और कुछ है?
नेक्स्ट करना. हाँ ये हेल्थ के लिए है. सो किसी को भी हेल्थ में बट यू हैव टू डू रेगुलर एटलीस्ट 21 डेज विदाउट ब्रेक. एक दिन में मराठी में बोलते हैं तो हम भूखना ही है. सो एक दिन करके कुछ नहीं होगा.
तेल दान नहीं करना चाहिए ना
अच्छा
सैटरडे.
somebody
खरीदना
said
नहीं चाहिए.
अच्छा मुझे
ले
बात
सकते हैं, परचेस नहीं करना है.
आप मुझे बताइए somebody said कि आप बेड के पास पानी नहीं रखना चाहिए. Is it correct?
Yes.
You should keep water.
वाटर आपके हेड के साइड में नहीं होना चाहिए.
पैर की साइड में होना
पैर
चाहिए.
के साइड में होगा या दूर, एटलीस्ट 3 फीट दूर. हमारे प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना, अभी इंटीरियर की वजह से हमारा साइड टेबल एकदम पास में होता है और हमें हाथ से सारी चीजें पास में चाहिए. मोबाइल, अलार्म्स, एनीथिंग शुड नॉट बी अराउंड. ब्रेन के जो है
कितना एरिया के अंदर?
3 फीट मिनिमम.
पर आपने लिखा है कॉपर वेसल वाटर नियर बेड एट नाइट.
हाँ तो आप दूर रखो, वो सुबह उठने के बाद वो पानी आपको पीना है पूरा.
बोलते हैं वाटर खुला भी नहीं रखना चाहिए because it invites lot of bad energies.
It has energies. आपके घर में जितने नेगेटिव एनर्जी है
सब एब्जॉर्ब करके वो पानी में जाता है और वही पी लेते हैं.
सबसे बेस्ट तरीका है कॉपर वेसल में पानी रखो नॉर्थ ईस्ट में ढक के. रात में जब भी पानी पीना है गो टू द किचन एंड ड्रिंक.
अभी ये कॉपर में रखना है, इसको हम कैसे हम यहाँ लेटे हुए बगल में
साइड टेबल है.
वहाँ पे नहीं रखने का.
वहाँ पे नहीं रखना।
आपको उठ के जाना है किचन में.
या तो
पानी
आपके
पीना है
रूम
तो
के
जाओ.
किसी और कॉर्नर में रखिए, आपके हेड के पास नहीं आना चाहिए, सर के पास. आपके वाइब्रेशन वो चेंज कर देगा एंड वाटर कैरीज द एनर्जी. तो उस रूम में जो भी नेगेटिविटी एब्जॉर्ब हो जाएगी, सुबह आप उसको पी लोगे.
और मोबाइल भी नहीं रखिए.
कुछ मतलब नहीं.
मोबाइल भी आप
मोबाइल तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं रखना.
अच्छा मोबाइल में एनी wearable.
Any electronic device,
पानी से
if we see, जब वाईफाई का हम देखते हैं फ्रीक्वेंसी, वाईफाई लगाने के लिए कोई आता है वो आपको बताता है ना कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस के रेंज में मत रखो, या तो एकदम ऊपर वो लगा के जाएगा। यूएस में आप देखो जमीन पे रखते हैं, हमारे ऊपर क्यों लगाते हैं कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इक्विपमेंट बहुत ज्यादा, घर का साइज छोटा है compared to, तो वो फ्रीक्वेंसीज को कट करता है। नाउ यू आर डूइंग सम काइंड ऑफ मंत्र चैंटिंग एंड बाजू में बच्चा टीवी देख रहा है, कुछ हो रहा है, इट्स कटिंग योर वाइब्रेशंस, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट रिजल्ट्स ऑफ दैट। आपने इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वॉच पहना है या मोबाइल में मत देख के मंत्र पढ़ रहे हो, नो रिजल्ट।
वॉच भी नहीं पहनना चाहिए।
नहीं,
ये
पेपर पे लिखा हुआ है या बुक में,
ये स्मार्ट वॉच भी नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए आपको, हैं?
नो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स।
ये स्मार्ट वॉच ही नहीं पहनना चाहिए, नॉर्मल रखो।
अच्छा सुबह 4 बजे का मंत्र बता दो
नॉर्मल इंसान
सर।
रहो।
नहीं, 5 बजे में कुछ जनरल है Zoom classes के लिए, it's free but we take one particular mantra subject,
सुबह 5 बजे
together
सुबह 5 बजे
गायत्री मंत्र, हाँ। सूर्य गायत्री मंत्र, सूर्य मैं आपको भेज दूंगी।
हाँ ये थोड़ा शेयर करेंगे आप।
Send करूंगी।
हम लोग इसको ध्यान से पढ़ेंगे।
इसको अपने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे ला दीजिए।
मैं ग्रुप में भेज दूंगी ये
वेरी नाइस,
कोई प्रॉब्लम
फैंटास्टिक, सुपर।
चलो।
क्या होगा।
चलो, थैंक यू वेरी मच। I wish more people would have been there. That's the reason
Yes, yes.
I wrote some personal messages to Mukul-ji.
He had made the notes and he will circulate it.
Huh?
We will share the same presentation or recording album on my YouTube.
Let them come here. So आप पेन ले लो।
हाँ।
वो बात तो देखो, आओगे भेजना।
हाँ हम लोग को देना।
For it is very simple. जो भी नहीं आते हैं ना, their time has not come to change.
हाँ, उनको नहीं पता चलेगा।
Guidance लेने में time नहीं लगेगा।
मेरा आने का बहुत मुश्किल था, इन्होंने रात में 12 बजे मैसेज
Very effective.